Direct print on brushed aluminium die bond. With the WhiteWall direct print on aluminium die bond, your image is printed directly onto brushed aluminium, a striking product for selected images. In the bright and white portions of the picture, the horizontally brushed aluminium surface shines through, a modern matte look, with a metallic sheen in the bright sections. This effect is particularly excellent for presenting isolated objects against a transparent background or for images with metallic surfaces. At WhiteWall, we use state-of-the-art inks for the best quality prints. Applied in a 6-color print, they are cured under ultraviolet light and create a matte surface. Through this process, the print gains additional protection against debris and splashes of water, and the colors retain their luminosity. Thus, the direct print on brushed aluminium die bond is also suitable for bathrooms and rain-sheltered outdoor areas. As a standard, we attach hanging elements to your picture. This is included in the price. If you like, you can also add a frame to your picture. We offer different models in numerous materials and colors. All of our frames are made to order in our workshop just outside of Cologne, Germany. Our direct print on brushed aluminium die bond is available in formats as small as 9 by 9 cm and can be made as large as 190 by 145 cm. That's about 3.5 by 3.5 up to 74 by 57 inches. At WhiteWall, we make everything to your exact specifications. Only after rigorous inspection do we award a product the WhiteWall seal of quality. In secure, perfect-sized packaging, your art is well protected during delivery, so it arrives safe and sound. WhiteWall. Pictures that last.